Namaste. This is S.K. Bhatin Rahman, Faculty of Pharmacy from the Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Second part of higher energy compound and the ATP as universal energy currency. Okay. Now the pathway for the ATP resynthesis. ATP phosphocreatinine synthesis. ATP resynthesis is a via phosphocreatinine denoted by the PS. Okay, denoted by the PS. Phosphocreatinine is denoted by the PS. PS is storage in the muscle cell sarcoplasm. Okay, this is the denote. The PS is stored in sarcoplasm. Okay, this is the follow the reaction is take place. Okay, you see that the phosphocreatinine is converted to the PI and one of carbon and another is produces lots of energy. Now we say that you lots of energy are plus with ADP with phosphate is produce a ATP. How to discuss this with ATP? Like PS like phosphocreatinine is add with phosphate with carbon with lots of energy, and this energy and plus the adenosine diphosphate plus phosphate is producer ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So how to create it? Like it is a phosphate creatinine. Okay, this is a phosphate creatinine with attached with carbon dioxide. Okay, not a carbon dioxide. This is a attached of carbon and with attachment with PI phosphate group with carbon. It needs some energy. This energy provided is plus energy. Okay, the energy of say that this is the energy with ADP, adenosine diphosphate with phosphate, adenosine diphosphate plus PI. This is the energy and adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine group is here. Two of adenosine with phosphate with attached with one of energy one of phosphate group and converted to the adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine group with attached with adenosine diphosphate with one phosphate and the energy and produce the adenosine triphosphate. This is the two reaction of together called couple reaction. The reaction is facilitated by the enzyme creatinine kinase. This is a next effect of this complex is reaction is phosphokinase. Phosphocreatinine is attached with adenosine diphosphate and produce the adenosine triphosphate plus carbon. Okay. The lactic acid synthesis. This is the same system. It is the anaerobic process and take place in the sarcoplasm. This is the thiolactic acid system is. This is the system is anaerobic process take place in sarcoplasm. This is the process involved in partial breakdown of glucose. Glucose can be only fuel breakdown in the presence of oxygen. Only CHO is used in this system. Now you say that this is the second number thiolactic acid system. This is the system is anaerobic process and take place in the sarcoplasm. This is the process involved in partial breakdown of glucose. Glucose can be also full of breakdown and in the presence of oxygen. Only CHO present in the system. The total ATP, but total 2 ATP, but it is use the synthesis of ADP to the ATP, not muscular work. Okay, not a muscular work. It is the end product to this reaction in absence of oxygen. It's a absence of oxygen in the lactic acid. The enzyme facilitating the conversion of pyruvic acid to the lactic acid in the lactate dehydrogenate. It denoted by the LDH. So lactic acid system, the system which the anaerobic process take place in the cytoplasm. You know the cytoplasm. We know the cytoplasm. This is a muscle. It's a muscle type of cell. Okay, this is the process is partially a breakdown of glucose. Glucose only full of breakdown in this present of oxygen. This is the partially process with glucose. Glucose is breakdown. When the glucose is breakdown, it is the present of oxygen, not a absent of oxygen. It is a present of oxygen. Only the CH is used in the system. The total A2 ATP, but it's a use a resynthesize of the ADP to the ATP, not muscular work. The end product of the reaction, in this product, the end product are the reaction absent of oxygen in lactic acid. The enzyme is facilitate the conversion of pyruvic acid to the lactic acid in the lactate dehydrogenase. Is denoted the LDH. LDH is the denoted the lactic dehydrogenase. Only for CH group is a system. In the system, totally 2 ATP, but it is user resynthesize the ADP to ATP or not in muscle. End product is reaction different of lactic acid. The end product is lactic acid, but somehow in the absence of oxygen. This is the most important thing is present oxygen or not present oxygen. It's the present of oxygen of breakdown different of environment of glucose. Breakdown of any kind of present of oxygen, but somehow when not a present of any oxygen, is total ATP are used of the resynthesize of ATP to the ATP to the ADP to the ATP, not in muscular work. End product is the reaction absent of oxygen in the lactic acid. Now in here, aerobic system. It's a aerobic system, not an anaerobic. It's a different process. Aerobic and anaerobic process. Aerobic system is stage 1, glycolysis. This is that take place in cytoplasm. This is the identical of lactic acid, and the ATP degenerated to the 2 ATP per molecule of glucose. Stage 2 is Krebs cycle, citric acid cycle, 2 ATP occur in presence of oxygen. That is take place in the muscle cell mitochondria. Within the inner fluid, fill the matrix. Pyruvic acid from the hydrolysis promoted by the enzyme of the citric acid cycle or fatty acid, or the facilitated by the enzyme lipoprotein, lipase or protein. If this is the protein is keto acid from the muscle, act as a fuel for the stage. Now you see that this stage 1 of the glycolysis, it produces the 2 ATP, desynthesize the 2 ATP. It is a take place in cytoplasm, and it identical of the lactic acid system. It's a identical, similar to identical of lactic acid synthesis. ATP regenerate to the 2 ATP per molecule of glucose. Stage of 2, Krebs cycle, citric acid cycle, 2 ATP occurred in the presence of oxygen, take place in the muscle mitochondria within the inner fluid filling matrix. Pyruvic acid from the glycolysis promoted by the enzyme of the citric acid cycle. Fatty acid from the body fat facilitated by the enzyme, the lipoprotein, lipase or protein, and keto acid from the muscle act as a fuel for this stage. Now this stage of electron transport chain, 30 ATP. Okay, you remember the electron transport chain, 34 ATP occurred in presence of oxygen. It's a present oxygen or not present oxygen. So it's a present of oxygen within the certain muscle mitochondria. Hydrogen ion or electron having potential energy for the release of product produce the ATP. The occur of the present oxygen within the muscle of cell mitochondria, hydrogen ion and hydrogen potential ion within the release of production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This is the stage. Electron transport system is produce the 34 ATP in the presence of oxygen. I'm saying that now, like a oxygen present or not, this is the oxygen present of doing some reaction or not. Okay, this is the muscle mitochondria. This is the hydrogen ion or hydrogen having the potential energy to release the production of ATP. Coupled reaction is ATP ox. Exogenic hydrolysis of ATP is coupled within the androgenic dehydration process or by the transformation a phosphate group to the another molecule. Example, ATP plus H2O and breakdown is produced adenosine triphosphate with phosphate. Glucose with phosphate, it produces glucose 6-phosphate with H2O. And glucose plus ATP is produced glucose 6-phosphate plus ATP. You remember that the couple reaction ATP, the exogenic hydrolysis with ATP coupled with androgenic dehydration process by the transforming of phosphate group with another molecule. ATP is H2O, LS ADP plus PI. The glucose plus PI, glucose 6-phosphate plus H2O. Overall reaction is depend glucose with the energy is ATP and produce glucose 6-phosphate with ADP. Use one of molecule of phosphate as a energy. It's the energy, that's why it's converted to the glucose 6-phosphate with adenosine triphosphate. Now ATP has a link between the carbolic and the anaerobic pathway. Okay. Anabolic pathway and catabolic pathway. Okay, this is the ATP links between the catabolic pathway, catabolic and anabolic pathway. Now we discuss. Now is energy source and the metabolic product. We discuss about the linkage between the anabolic pathway and the catabolic pathway. Now we see that energy is in metabolic pathway in energy source and produce the energy of metabolic product. This energy produced in here, it uses anabolic pathway. Now you see that biosynthesis of metabolism product is to see that external nutrient are enter in the internal cellular precursor pole and thus produce biosynthesis intermediate. Example, amino acid. Amino acid convert to the protein. It's a anabolic process. It need energy in every step in conversion of external interaction to internal precursor of pole. And this is the biosynthesis of any kind of amino acid. Is a biosynthesis of amino acid to any kind of protein. Is required lots of energy. How to record it? This is the catabolic process which it produces lots of energy, and this energy is consumed in anabolic pathway. Produce the catabolic pathway in energy and lots of energy in needed in anabolic pathway for conversion of any kind of protein, any kind of other thing. Okay. Now this is the most important pathway I talk about it. It's a exogenic cellular respiration and fuel of the endogenic process. Now in here you see that the energy is entered in this cycle. ATP are converted to the ADP converted to the ADP. Somehow in fuel of endogenic process, it's a ATP, it is converted to the ADP with 1-phosphate and produce energy. Okay. Now function of ATP, metabolic synthesis in polysaccharide, amino acid and DNA RNA. Okay, and movement, muscle contraction, and the energy allowed to muscle fermentation to the slide. Okay. And the active transport, change in the shape of the carrier protein, secretion in the formation of lysosome necessary for the exocytosis, chemical reaction, the phosphate of molecule from the ATP transferred to the another molecule to makes more reactive and the low reactive energy. Thank you so much for hearing.